Welcome back to Ben Oak's Garage. We are now working on the engine stage of the 65 C10. Just got our block back from the machine shop. And they bored it 30 over. Gave us 30 over pistons, new rings, put on the old rods, and reground the crank 10 under. So we are going to first actually put the camshaft in, because it's easier to get to with everything out of the way, and go from there. The camshaft that we chose is a comp cams. And what are you doing, Lance?
Putting some oil on the bearings. So when we put it in, it won't be dry. I'll also put oil on the cam when I put it in.
Guess we don't need the machine tag, do we?
I don't think we know who it belongs to.
Yeah, let's try not to do that.
I don't think I will. It already has some lube on it.
You want to put on gloves first?
Doing this for over 50 years. Gloves is kind of late now. We'll oil up the rest of it after we get it in. I get oil all over everything. It'll
Actually, I bought the braking oil that goes right over top of your cam once it's all in and set.
Yeah, I don't want to put it on now because it'll attract dirt.
Yep.
Putting other stuff together and we'll get dirt all over the place. And it's in. Waste some oil on them. I heard of a guy using STP to do this with, and it was so thick it locked the engine up. Had to pull it back apart and clean it. But that was a long time ago.
Oh, is that a had a friend that had a friend? Or is this someone you actually knew?
It was an idiot at work.
Oh.
Thought he was an engine man. I'll wipe off the main journals to make sure there's no fuzz or anything on them.
As you can see right here, it was 10 under, 10 under.
And it matches the bearings. Stand this thing up so I can get them.
Do you need help?
I get around it.
Are you going to put gobbledygook stuff, engine assembly oil on each one of them before you put it on this?
No, I'm gonna set it down
Set it and then
put oil on top of it since there's already oil
on the bottom
bearings.
half. Gotcha.
And
Want me to grab the side?
I just want to make sure I got this thing clean.
Okay.
I think it looks pretty good. Wasn't dirty to start with. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
That's all you.
Oh, somebody, it's in there. There's an oil groove in the bearings. If I keep the oil in the middle, it'll pretty much run back down in the bearing and fill that void up. We'll get the rest of the bearings and we'll put the caps on.
Alrighty. Alright, for the people that might be wondering, this engine came out of a 1999 Suburban 350 hydraulic cam roller. Used to be Vortec heads, but we decided to go with a different set. That would be a different episode.
Forget about that.
Here we are back in the garage again. Putting on the main caps. No, are we supposed to tap that with like a deadbeat hammer?
I don't.
Okay.
I've seen people do it.
And what do they get torqued to?
70 pounds.